Now, the Zimbabwean in me just could not wrap my head around this sweet potato pie because growing up, sweet potatoes were boiled and served with tea. That's it. In fact, for that very reason, you'll rarely see me voluntarily reaching for a sweet potato. The trauma is real. Bamba tea every time. It was always very fascinating watching American movies and they're talking about the sweet potato pie. In my head, I'm thinking, Bamba pie, what kind of madness is this? But I genuinely owe myself and the sweet potato pie an apology for not trying it sooner. We're coming into my absolute favorite season of the year, autumn, and this recipe just makes so much sense. We're starting with our baked sweet potatoes cooked until completely soft. Then you're going to blend this a little bit before adding your butter, sugar, eggs, evaporated milk, vanilla extract, and those gorgeous warm spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, all the things that make your kitchen smell like autumn. And don't forget to add that pinch of salt just to balance everything. Once everything is combined, pour it into your baked pastry case. Then you're going to allow this to bake until it is nicely set. Once it's cooled, slice it up and add a little bit of whipped cream. Turns out the trauma wasn't sweet potato, it was the preparation. Chino bata